Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with the lovely Alison.
Hello.
And we're here to introduce you to our brand new showcase. This is the Retro Rock'n'Roll Jukebox. Brand new showcase. It's that time of the month again already. These come around so quickly.
They do. I feel as though I need to have my cams on and do a little bit of this today.
Oh, I know. We're all feeling the retro vibes today. Hope you've enjoyed the little jingle there. So, this is something that you've been asking for. We've listened to you, we've heard the cries for jukeboxes, and we've made them. So we hope you love them.
I'm sure you will. I'm really sure you will. The girls have had a lot of fun making these.
Oh, yes. I can see that from here. Some amazing samples.
They're stunning, aren't they?
So, as with all showcases, you're obviously going to get your wallet and your magnetic sheet to put your dies straight into your storage folder to keep you on track with your storage and organisation. Shall we have a look at the dies first of all?
Yes. All your instructions are inside. Mm-hmm. And you can see there's not that many instructions there. That's how easy it is to put together. But also, I love the decoration on these. I'm going to have to point some bits out to you because they are just... Hang on, can you see them on there? Do I need a piece of card? Let's have this.
Oh, yeah, that'll do.
This'll do.
That'll do.
We'll have this. Hang on. Pop that underneath.
There we go.
Hopefully, you can see these panels, because they've got the lovely music notes and the records. Obviously very retro records, not CDs.
Oh, absolutely not.
You know, we love the children now asking, what are these big CDs? I remember my son asking that one.
Yeah.
But if I bring this in, this is that panel. Look at that. It is stunning.
Pop it this way around so it's the right way up on camera. There we go.
I can see Karen doing something over there and I'm not picking up.
And we're rotating.
Absolutely.
I was being quiet.
Don't be quiet, Karen. We're not used to that.
No.
But I just love that iconic image.
And a lovely panel for paper piecing as well. There's not too many pieces. They're not too tiny.
No.
But I think that tiny little bit of piecing that has been put into that one
Absolutely.
just really shows off and highlights that amazing pattern in there.
Your music note is included, plus your backing panel. Look at the front again.
I love this one. You're a hit.
You're a hit.
Amazing.
And I think this brings in the more masculine of our family members.
Yes.
But also includes the feminine as well. If you've got any jivers out there.
Yes, I can think
I don't know how many jive now, but... I remember my mother and her friends loved a good jive. My mother was the learner because she was older than the jive, but her friend was really into the jive. But I think they would appreciate something like this.
But I think also it does still work for younger people as well, because everyone is into music, aren't they? You know, everyone loves a little bit of music in their lives. So anyone who has that kind of musical leaning is probably going to really appreciate a little gift in a box like this.
I think so.
I'm sure you can already immediately think of like 2 or 3 people that this is going to be perfect for.
Oh, definitely. I mean, in Porthcawl, which is not far from us, we've just had the Elvis Festival. And that's the biggest Elvis festival,
In the world.
I want to say, in the world.
Yeah.
I may be wrong, but I think it's in the world. So you've got that amount of people as well that would totally appreciate this.
Definitely.
Northern Soul. We've just had 50 years of Northern Soul. So again, I think they would have had jukeboxes there.
More than likely.
I think so.
Yeah, other panels that you've got in here. So we've got sentiment as well. So Time to Dance. I love that one. You're a Star. Let There Be Music. I think
Let There Be Music there. We've got little panels that look like the front of the jukebox. We'll show you all these now when we come to them.
Time to... Is it time to something?
Hang on. hang on, they're on the back.
Yeah, let's cheat.
Let's cheat here.
Oh,
Right,
there's a
this
sing.
is glasses off.
So we've got sing in here.
Yes.
Time to shine.
Oh, lovely.
Is that one?
You're a hit. Time to dance. Time to shine.
Let there be music.
Let there be music.
You're a star.
That
Sing.
all of them?
Yeah, and then obviously the big, you're a hit in the big
Absolutely.
panel as well. There is another big panel for the front. If you didn't want the sentiment version, you've got like just a swirly one. Yes.
A proper
swirly one.
Wurlitzer.
Yes.
A Wurlitzer one.
And you've got this kind of interesting, almost like a honeycomb type pattern as well,
Yes.
which is repeated in the sides too. So there's a couple of different options for your decoration in here, which I really like.
That one reminds me a bit of a speaker.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
It does. And you can see the front on here. You've got the, I don't even know what to call it.
It would be the money, where you put the money in, isn't it?
Was
little-
that what it was?
panel.
The button panel, yeah.
Yes, that's right.
That's what that is, that die. That's
It
your
is,
buttons.
that's your buttons.
Not your patterns, but your buttons.
Absolutely. Oh, I just love this die set. I think
Shall
it
we
is
show
amazing.
some of these amazing samples that are here? Because
We must.
they are, the design team have obviously loved this. You can tell when the samples come in looking like this. So the one we've already shown you, no name it, potentially then one of Vicky's. Let's
I
go
think
with
that's
that.
Vicky's.
So look at, oh, there we go. This one, all in silvers and pinks and that lovely. So we do have a gloss black, a mirror black card, and I think this is perfect for that, for really highlighting your records on the side there.
Yes.
Your LPs. And then it has your lovely little tab on the back here. Please excuse my nails. I said I wasn't going to do this. No nails on camera today. So this is how you open up your gift box, and it's quite a sizable box. You can see the depth of it there, and you've got the entire inside of that then, and then your little tab just goes back in.
You know,
And
even
slots
if you've
over the
got
top.
something like a pair of socks.
Yeah, or a fun tie, or something like that. That'd be perfect in here. Or a matching set. You know, if you've got someone who's maybe a musician and they need a tie and a pocket square or something.
Absolutely.
That'd be a good one. I love the little let there be music.
What about a wedding that's got a music theme? Because there's a lot of 50s retro around, isn't there?
Lots of people love a retro wedding.
Yeah. What
That'd be a
about these for your
perfect little
favours?
Favour box. That lovely big music note on the side as well. And on
love
this
it.
one, we've got that massive "You're a Hit" sentiment on the front as well. Absolutely love that one.
So then we've got some pattern papers on the top here. Again, I'm sure you've got loads of musical papers in your collective box. And again, there's a guitar added to the front.
I love that.
You know, I think we've all got something musical in our collection. So again, going around, I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I love the drops on the front of this one as well, just to bring out that shaping. Love it. And this is from Chabney's. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
So I have another one here. This is from Ruth. So look at, over here, this one, I love this. Look at the colours on this. So a nice black box, but using all of that amazing pew paper. Look at it go. I think this is definitely one to bust out your Iri Miri on. It needs
I
it,
really
doesn't it?
think so.
There's that speaker pattern, honeycomb, whatever you want to call it. Look at it go. Pew, pew, pew. Really, really love this. And then you've got your little tab on the back. Oh, it's just popped out. I think we've got a bit of limelight in here, Al. I know you love a bit of limelight.
Oh, I do love the limelight.
It's a... yes.
Nothing like blowing my own trumpet there, is it?
So that is a lovely sample from Rita. Thank you very much.
Then we have this one then from Ruth again. So we've gone, again, a bit of Iri Miri on here.
Pew, pew.
Let me tilt it forward so you can see.
I love that she's
is-
put the sentiment on the
Oops.
button panel as well at the front.
Yes.
It's really nice.
A lot have got them on the back.
Mm-hmm.
So if we bring this one in, they've got them on the back. But you pop them wherever you choose. I like it on the front, mind.
Yeah,
I
it
do
is
like
nice.
that, and the music note on top. What about some music notes on acetate?
Oh, yeah, it
So
could be
they
coming out the top.
suspend.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's a good
That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it?
We were talking about acetate the other day, weren't we? About how it's always fun just to put something on acetate to give it a bit of movement and a bit of life.
Because it just pings. You want the thinnest acetate. You don't want the thick acetate.
The
because
stuff
they
that
will just
comes
go
on
straight.
your die packaging is perfect.
Yes, it is.
Cut yourself like a little, 1/2 centimetre strip or something like that, so it has that bendability to it.
Absolutely.
Stick your pieces on and then anchor it somewhere to
Well, once you've popped your dies onto your magnetic sheet, then your acetate is redundant. It's done its job.
So you might as well use it for something. Recycle. What was it? Reduce, reuse, recycle. We're doing the reuse part here.
Well, and we're reducing because it's not going in the rubbish.
This is very true.
So this is from, I think this is Vicky as well.
Yep. Back a smidge on that one.
It's a bit beehivey to me. This
I know, the colours. It's like very classic 50s though, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Just really...
So she's gone with the swirly pattern on this one. So pretty.
Love it. It's kind of like, it would be in walnut, wouldn't it? And then it would have that extra bit of like pine trim around it.
Yeah, bit of marquetry.
Beautiful.
I love it. I love it.
Vicky. What have I got down here? So this one is from Chablis.
That's another fab one, isn't it?
All of this lovely paper piecing. I think these are, like I said before, the panels really lend themselves to it because they're not difficult to piece. They're not. Quite quick to do. And even just in adding one extra colour, I think you're really picking out that pattern, which looks amazing. And then all those lovely music notes around there. We've got your jewel dot markers from the Christmas magic trend.
Nice.
Love that as well.
It reminds me of lights.
Yes, they have those the marquee lights, isn't it, that they have all the way around the top. Love that. And then you've got a centre one on the back. So again, let there be music. I don't know why I'm struggling to read this today. I think my glasses are a bit fuzzy. But yeah, I absolutely love that one. Very, very classic. Thank you very much for that, Chablis.
Then we've got another one here. This is from Shilpa. Now Shilpa's done something different with the back of hers. She's put a panel on the back.
Oh, I like that.
So that's another idea. Let me see. Hang on.
Oh, I like that she's put the pattern on the back of the door.
Exactly.
On foam pads as well.
Because it gives you something, hang on, to pop your nail under, to open.
That's really nice.
So that is a good idea.
I like that.
I like that idea too.
I love all the droppage on the front as
well.
Look
at
at it.
Oh my lordy,
that is a party.
Yes, yes. Your jewel drops would be perfect for this. Or do you have any neon drops? I know they're quite old. Or glow in the dark they were. Glow in the dark drops. They would be perfect on these as well. Because they really do glow in the dark. You'll have to have had them in your collection for quite a while because we don't sell them anymore. No. But I know they last a long time, so you may well have some of them. But that is beautiful. Look at all the... If I bring that around... Look, she's popped it all on foam pads there to create the depth.
So really lovely.
It's lovely, isn't it?
So
thank you, Shilpa.
Couple more over here. This one is also from Shilpa. Now look at this.
I
beauty.
love this one.
Look at this. More pew pews going on. I can see everyone has really brought out their pew pew magic for this. So we are let there be music again on the front on your little button panel on there, and then just look at this.
It is stunning. Absolutely stunning.
And then she's put another one of those panels on the back as well. I really like adding that on there.
It's nice, isn't it?
On the strips at the side of it.
Yeah. Very nice.
It's the fallout from the piece at the front.
Yes, that's it. So from your piece here. Very good idea.
I think that's what's being used around the top.
Around the top of the, for your marquetry.
For your marquetry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Good idea.
Around here, yeah. Very, very nice. And then I just have one more, and I think this is another of Vicky's.
That's Vicky's.
Yeah, now this one has been inked to within an inch of its life. It is definitely...
Oh, I thought it was paper. I thought it was like a wood grain paper.
It looks like a walnut kind of...
Wow.
Bit of wood on there. A nice bit of veneer. Probably,
yes.
And again, lovely retro colouring with your cream and your red. Bit of gold on there. Yes. Yeah, all the paper piecing.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
You're a hit.
You just want to hear that music coming out now, don't you?
I know.
I could sing for you.
No, you're right.
Please don't.
So I've already said,
We
I
have
hope
heard
you
your
enjoyed.
singing, Cara. It's the same as mine.
I'm going to have to find some very good, like, 50s-esque music for this video. So you've already heard it, obviously, by the time you've got to this part of the video, but I haven't found it. Weird timeline stuff going on here, so hopefully I found something good.
I'm sure
Fingers
you
crossed.
will. I'm sure you will.
So Karen will be doing a make for this for you. That will be coming out next Tuesday. So that'll be on our channel. So make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and you've got your notification bell ticked.
Ding!
So that you will be notified when that comes out. You don't want to miss it. I'm sure it's going to be, again, not filmed yet. I'm sure it's going to be an amazing video.
It will.
It will be.
It'll be wonderful.
This is available now for you on our website though, so go and grab your jukebox. I don't think this is going to be around for very long. I have a feeling
think it will be.
so many people have been asking for it that I have a feeling it's just going to fly out of the warehouse. So yeah, do go and grab that.
I think so.
Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you have your extra 10% TCK discount on there as well. So make sure you're logged into the website as you're going through checkout and they'll be automatically applied for you. No code needed. Just a bit of internet magic for you.
Wonderful.
If you've enjoyed this video, do give us a little thumbs up. Let us know that this is the kind of thing that you like to see. And if you grab this, and I'm sure you probably have already, make sure to
tag us in your makes.
We would absolutely love to see what you do with the jukebox, how you decorate it, or what kind of ideas you've got of things to put in it. Who are you going to be gifting it to?
Oh, yes.
Let us know if you've got any questions or comments. Pop them in the comments below. We'd love to read them when we do come back and answer them and see what's going on with yours.
I'm sure we've all got a teddy boy hiding in our family somewhere.
I thought you were going to say in your wardrobe for a second. I was fully expecting that, and I have a feeling Karen was as well, in her special dates book. Absolutely. Is he Mr. Friday or is he Mr. Weekend?
Well, you never know, do you? It'll have to be the weekend.
Oh, absolutely, because you need to go out dancing with your teddy boy, don't you?
Exactly. Those crepe shoes are going to be out. Just have fun with it, because I know you're going to.
Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!